Hi guys, it's Siri. Today I'm going to make a fried rice with shrimp. If you wonder how I peel the shrimp, please keep watching this video. I begin with the shell and still keep the head of the shrimp for the fatty taste. And I will open the back of the shrimp a little bit, take out the black line and put on the plate to get ready. After, I will prepare the vegetable. My ingredients are 3 cloves of garlic, 1 carrot, 1 white onion, and 1 tomato. I will begin with the garlic. Chop the garlic until it's small pieces. And I will dice the carrot. I will cut the carrot in a quarter and then slice it, and after I got a carrot, I will put on the bowl. I will dice the white onion and the tomato too. Today I'm going to use a wok with some oil in the pan. I will not use too much oil, and you also can use any oil you have. Fry the garlic until you smell it. And put the shrimp. Fry until shrimp change color. In the meantime, I will use a spatula to press the fat out, and this is why I still keep the head, because it will make fried rice more tasty. After the shrimp is good, I will put the oyster sauce, fish sauce around 10 times, and a bit of water. Keep frying. And I'll put the chop of onion and carrot. Keep more frying a bit to let everything is mixed into the sauce. Crack 3 eggs in the pan and scramble until the eggs are not done yet. And then I'll put the rice. I already made the rice, so I will put one bowl of the rice and fry it together. And you can see the rice become a yellow because of the eggs. At last, I will put tomato and spring onion. I will keep frying until the rice looks a bit dry and it starts to smell yummy. This menu I like to eat with special fish sauce. Thai people call it น้ำปลาพริก. Its taste is a bit spicy, salty and sour. Have a little bit smell of garlic, lamb and red onion. I use just 1 clove of garlic, half of red onion, 2 chili, 1 lamb, and 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. I will chop the garlic, dice red onion, and cut the chili. Put everything on a small bowl, and I will squeeze the lamb first before I will put the fish sauce, because lambs can help the garlic and red onion to stay longer. So, this is my fried rice with shrimp. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you for watching me. Bye.